So that's going to be the perfect logo on Tina's car, and she's going to be really happy when she sees this. Plus she's going to make a lot of advertisement for us. Well, there you go. It's not 100% perfect, but it will make the job, and like I said, Tina's going to be really happy. Wish it would be a little bit bigger. God, she's going to be thrilled. Well, let's see how she reacts. I got a great surprise for you. Huh?
I don't like stickers.
Close.
On my car.
It's not a sticker, Tina.
Dad.
I spray painted.
What? No, you didn't.
Of course, look. I mean, it's awesome. You always wanted to make
Dad,
advertisement
you're
for us.
kidding, right?
What are you talking about?
You're kidding. Dad, you did not just spray.
I just did, and look. I mean, I wish it would be a little bigger. It's just not.
Dad, you're kidding.
It's not.
Dad, you did not just spray paint my car.
Why not, Tina? It's advertisement.
Dad, no, are you serious?
It's advertisement.
Dad, you're joking.
No, I'm
I
not.
hope you're joking. This better be a video. That's like making fun of me.
No, I mean.
Dad, I just went. No, you did not do that.
Sure. Hey, Tina, you always said you want to make advertisement for us. That's the thing. I love it. I can actually make a picture. So you're happy about
Please
it.
tell me you're joking.
You're happy, right?
No.
What do you mean?
I want to promote your business, but I don't want a sticker. I don't want a spray. I hope
It's not a sticker, Tina. Look at
Dad,
it.
I don't want that on my car.
Look
I
at it
love you,
closer.
Dad, but no, I don't.
It's too late. I already sprayed
Dad,
it.
you're kidding me.
Look at it. It's nice.
I don't want to look at it.
Why?
Because
What's,
I don't want it on my car.
what's wrong with it?
Please, you're kidding.
Look at it.
I see it, Dad. Does that come off?
No, don't touch it.
Dad, I don't
You
want
want to
this
mess
on
my
car.
paint shop up.
Yes, I will. Where's the nail polish remover or something?
This doesn't work with nail polish
I don't
remover.
know. I know it's going to take my paint off, but we need to get this off.
Come on, we're not going to take this off. I thought you were going to make advertisement for us now.
I thought you were serious. Like, you're slightly freaking me out. No, I love you, but...
Okay. Alrighty. So Tina is happy.
Dad. No, no, no! Dad, stop!
Yes!
No! No. Really?
Love.
Okay, that's...
Haley.
Oh, I thought you were going to write my name. Thanks, Dad. What are... This better come off.